Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing application of stack expression evaluation and infix to postfix conversion. What is infix to postfix conversion or what is stack expression evaluation? Infix expressions are harder for computers to evaluate because of the additional work needed to decide precedence. Infix notation is how expressions are written and recognized by humans and generally input to programs. Given that they are harder to evaluate, they are generally converted to one of the two remaining forms, the prefix and postfix expressions. A postfix expression itself determines the precedence of operators, as the placement of the operators in a postfix expression depends upon its precedence. Therefore, for the machine, it is easier to carry out a postfix expression than an infix expression. Now let's see the implementation of infix to postfix coding. So here we have precedence function, separated the operators and given their precedence. So if it is an exponential, it's going to be 3. And if it is a multiplication or division, it will return 2. If it is a addition or subtraction, it will return 1, or else it will return -1. And we are coming to the main function, infix to postfix, and here we are getting the input from the user. At first, we are initializing a list st as empty and a variable with a empty string. So by iterating to the input, we are checking if the elements are alphabets or number. If it is an alphabet or a number, we are adding that to the variable called res, which is going to be the result. Or if it is an open bracket, then we'll append the open bracket into the list named st. If it is a closed bracket, we are going to pop the operators which are present in the st until it has the open bracket. And at last, all the operators which are present in the list will be popped to the result string and the result will be printed. And here we have given the input as one in alphabets and one with numerical values. We are passing that as a string to the function. Now let's see how the code is running, the output of the code and the result as well. So it has been converted from infix to postfix. So now moving on to postfix evaluation. So here we are using only one function. We are getting the input from the user and we are initialize stack as empty, and we are using a for loop. We are splitting the input and we are checking if it is a digit. So if it is a digit, it will be appended to the stack. If not, if it is an operator, the numbers will be popped. So if the operator is plus, the numbers will be added. If it is minus, it will subtract. If it is a multiplication, it will be multiplied. If it is a division, then it will be divided. And at the end, it will be returned. So now let's see the output of this program. What's going to be the evaluation? The answer is 64. 7, 8 are the numbers. 7 minus 8 will be -1. -1, 9 will be in the stack. Since the next operator is plus, it will be plus. It will be added. -1 plus 9 is 8. And 8 will be in the stack. 8 and the other 8 will be in the stack. And here we have a multiplication. So it will be multiplied and the final answer will be 64. So This is infix to postfix and postfix evaluation by stack application using Python. Thank you.